Today I am showing you how to use our server. Okay, so first go in search and type here our URL, that is greatfollow.com, and you can also use our server on your mobile phones. You don't need PC or laptop for this. Okay, so first you have to register yourself if you are new here. Okay, so click on register. Then this is the registration form. I am showing you how to register yourself. Okay, so type here full name and choose your username. This username will be used when you will log in. Okay, so choose your username, then type your email address. This email address will be used to notify if any new services or support message, etc. Okay, then type your WhatsApp number with a country code. For example, here I am using India, for that +91. Then choose your password. This password will be used with username when you will log in. Okay, so type here your password again for confirmation. Then click on these two box. One is for I have confirmed terms and conditions, and second one is for Google reCAPTCHA. So verify it. Okay, then click on registration button. So here you have successfully registered. Then click on login. So here you have to type your username and password. Okay, so click on login button. So this page you will see after login. So here is option of category and then service. We have lot of services and categories, means YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, lot of services. So you can order any services. So for ordering service you need a balance in your account. So click on add funds to add balance. So we have a lot of methods already, just like a Paytm, PayPal, PhonePe, lots of methods. If you see there is no method that you have and you want us to add, then contact us. We will add for you if it is possible. Okay. So for example, here I am adding fund via Paytm QR code. So here is detail that how to pay using Paytm QR. Then after payment you will have order ID. You have to type here. Okay, so here I am showing you this order ID I got when I paid through Paytm QR code. I am adding last digits for security reasons and typing here amount. Okay, then after I understand, after then click on pay button. So here funds is added. Then you can now order any service you want. So first select category. For example, I am showing you how to order Instagram views. So you have to copy the link. Okay, so link is copied. Then you have to type here. Then you have to type quantity, means how much views, followers you want. Okay, so this rate is for 1,000. Okay, 1,000 views means $0.035 for 1,000 views. Okay, so it's not for one. So here I am ordering 2,000. So total amount is 0.07. Then click on submit. Okay, so now order is placed. Okay, you can see your orders in orders option. Here you will see your order history. Okay, so read this, and there is option of services. means here you can see all the services and any particular service, how much time it will take to deliver. It's just average time, it's not a perfect time, exact time. Okay, so there is option of support. So if you face any problem, then just you can contact us from here. Okay, so select subject. For example, if you want to refill any service which have refill periods. Okay, so select subject refill and then message us your order ID. We will look into it and will solve as soon as possible. Okay, so go in order and copy order ID and just send. Okay, submit ticket. Okay, so you can get support here, and you can also contact us if you are a reseller. Okay, so here is payment history. Then if you are API owner, if you have your panel, then you can connect our API. Okay, so we give special rates for API and reseller. Okay, so from here you can download our app also. And the last one is for terms. If you are new, then you can read our terms and policy. Okay, so this is a short use video. If you have any question, then feel free to contact us. And if you are a reseller and want to sell our services to your clients, and if you want to connect our API also, then we will give you discounted rates. So in this case, you can contact us on support or WhatsApp, whatever you like. Okay, thank you.